Hi everyone, my name is Gas. I am currently learning and improving my skills in Linux and Devops. And in this video, I am going to share everything I have learned. So I want to share some of these comments. And before we start the Linux. Let me understand what is a Linux actually. Linux is a open source operating system. It is used everywhere in the server clouds platforms like AWS and DevOps pipelines, automations, and networking, and even in the Android phones. Why we are using Linux? Because Linux has a powerful, it is secure, and it will be stable, fast, and free. In DevOps, Linux is not an option. It's must have the skills used to also every company. We have some of the basics Linux tasks in level 1 found creator like user and group create a group for and let the start be level 1 which covering the basics fundamental linux skills. We have created users and groups and set the permissions install and packages and check system informations and creating user and groups. In this we create a developer group and the user into this. This is important for the managing the access for the permission on the Linux servers. Next, we set up the we setting the permissions. We ownership changes permissions to project directory so the authorities users can be read, write, and execute inside. In packaging, install the packaging. Like install the packaging, we install important packages like Git and Nginx and Java. Then the tools are commonly used in the DevOps and application. System information, we also check the system information like a CPU, memory, disk, network. This is help us to understand the health of your servers like free, how much the space of it. The system information is like free hyphen ha like CPU utilizations, how much is a fine. One way. After we also check the system information like CPU, memory, disk, and network. This help us to understand the health of these servers. And, and level two, it is a task that DevOps engineer use every day, like cron jobs. Cron jobs are we automatically the daily backup using the cron jobs. Cron jobs allows us to schedule repeatedly task in automatically in that one shell scripts we write the simple shell scripts in the cleaning logs restarting the services and checking application health script the help to automatically routine works like we command the sudo vi and the path and last we write dot sh is a shell and we in that we paste this code bash script make to execute the permission we given sudo chmod plus x and this is a screenshot of that you can see seen and executed. After that we have log management. We create the scripts to track CPUs and memories usage and save into the log files. This is useful for the monitoring tools and understanding the server's performance. We created it one day project directory and we in the log CPU memory usage every minute we had one a script, created script, and give the permissions and schedule in this cron job tab. We use for that cron job hyphen e install and cron job hyphen l. It will show that schedule time like 02. It will show the stars 5 stars. After that we start enter in the level 3 what where we handle advanced production level Linux configurations. We created a customized system service like we created a service to run our own application automatically. The system helps managing the startup servers services and background processors. Like we created a customized system services my app dot service to the run the script local located created a script in that we created one file in that we pasted up our script and give the permissions and created a system service file of that service and we had commented read system daemon system tl daemon reload and just enable and start and status. After that we can check in the output I have given inactive here. System start my app system ctl status it given active running like our service is running in our server. After that we have one ssh harding. We secure our services by disabling roots login, changing the ssh ports and allowing only specific users ssh critical for service security for using for the security system. The service is for the servers security purpose like port changing. LVM next we have set the end by using the Linux commands. LVM setup checking the exact disk we use this command lsblk and first of all we install the lvmk is a logical value management. After installing that mm, we can see the volume attach. Sorry, it is a after we set a firewall configurations and install the firewall by using the command sudo yum install. In the Linux we use yum. In Ubuntu we use apd. Hmm. In firewall configuration we configure firewall to control which the port and the services are allowed. This help the protect our server from the unauthorized access. I install the firewall. After I can and I do run the command sudo systemctl start firewall and enable. After -cmd and added service http permanent. In case if I run this command it will show the output success. The firewall is protection. It works on 8080 cp default showing the output. After I practice on log rotation for the app logs. In that we create a one file configuration file like directory. In that we paste one script Like it a fine, we configure log rotation so that logs do not fill up the servers and are maintained properly with a compression and rotation. That's all. Thank you so much for this. I know this much. That's